In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your WooCommerce store so customers can either browse publicly or log in before accessing your shop. To get started, the first thing you want to do is decide how private you want your store to be. Some store owners prefer to let anyone browse products and only require customers to log in when they're ready to buy. Others want a more restricted experience, where customers need an account earlier in the process. Taking a moment to make that decision first will help the rest of the setup make more sense. Once you know the kind of experience you want, go into your WooCommerce account and privacy settings. This is where you'll control how customer accounts are handled and how open or restricted your store feels. As you review these settings, think about what will be easiest for your customers while still matching your business goals. Next, enable customer registration on the My Account page. This is an important step because it gives new customers a clear place to create an account. If you expect shoppers to log in before completing certain actions, registration needs to be simple and easy to find. The My Account page is usually the most natural place for that. After that, decide whether you want to allow guest checkout. If guest checkout is enabled, customers can place orders without creating an account, which can reduce friction and make checkout faster. On the other hand, if you want a more private store or you need customers to have an account for order tracking or member-only access, then you'll want to require accounts for checkout instead. From there, configure your registration and login options so they match the experience you're trying to create. The goal here is consistency. If customers are expected to sign in, the registration and login flow should feel straightforward and not confusing. Clean account settings can make a big difference in how professional your store feels. Once that's done, add the My Account page to your navigation menu. This helps customers quickly find where to sign in or register without having to search around the site. Making account access visible in your menu is a simple improvement that can prevent confusion later. Finally, log out of WordPress and test the store as if you were a real customer. Visit the public pages, try accessing restricted areas, and go through the registration or checkout flow based on the settings you chose. This final check is essential because it confirms that your public and restricted pages behave exactly as intended and that customers will have the experience you planned.